Howdy do. Welcome to my page. No, that ain't it. What's going on, y'all? Happy New Year to everybody out there. Happy New Year to everybody out there, y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, subscribe. You got the dude next door all up in the camera. I see him. It's all good. Some type of heating and cooling dude or something like that. But yeah, appreciate all the subscribers, y'all. It's a slow growing page, but we growing. All right. As you can see, what I got installed is the Katzkin leather seats. The color on these seats are Cardinal. That's the color. It's not the salsa, not the red. It's like another dark red or something like that. But this color is called Cardinal color. I tried to, as y'all can see, looking good. I tried to make it close as I could to those red Laguna Hellcat seats. I tried my best, man. But I always wanted red leather seats. I mean, it sounds like a small little want, but I always wanted that for years. I had a 2016 and I had the houndstooth cloth in there. I was in 2016 at the SXT Challenger. And this car, this is a 2020, 2021 Scat Pack. It also had cloth seats, just like this. And here it is where I actually, let me show y'all something, man. That's the actual seat right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's the actual seat. You can see, like, the company, they take the clips. See, that's the clip right there, and that's how it look. All it is, but it's an actual, this company, it's actual leather. The seat is not like a leather cover or nothing like that. As you can see, and I kept it. I have the whole, this factory. Hey, I'm just showing y'all that. That's how it look or whatever, y'all. But so anybody who I sell this car to or anything, people be like, oh, I don't like the red leather or something. I want it factory. I got the whole, I got the back seats, everything they took out, I have it in perfect condition. So I don't know, I guess that's like I'm a salesman too or something like that, but that's what they did anyway. I was done with that, but put that down. But yeah, the price was, I think, $1,800. Then with tax, I think it was $2,200 out the door with tax and install and everything. Charge was already included. And what it was, I went to the place is based in LA, and they're a custom shops called Katzkin Leather, Katzkin.com. And they what they do is they you call them or you go online and you like custom order. I mean, you could have whatever type of seats. I could have had different color stitching. I could have had my name here. I could have probably put some SRT stuff here. I could have did some different colors. I could have had different side door panels and everything like that. But I kept it, like I said, I wanted to keep it like stock looking as possible. So I ain't want to like do nothing custom crazy. But you know, but they do everything. And I looked them up for a long time. A lot of people do this to their cars. It's like nothing new or nothing like that. So that's why I did it. But I love the way it came out. I don't have no complaints or nothing like that. And what they do, for me, it took the process of, well, basically 2 weeks. Usually it take a week, but they saying because like COVID and all that stuff, and you know, they ain't up to full force at they factory, I guess. But what they do, they hand stitch your hand sew it or whatever like that. And it usually take them a week, but it took them 2 weeks. And they sent it straight to they. I'm in New Jersey, so they have different different shops that they, you know, trust or whatever, certain techs or whatever like that all over the different states. And they send them the actual leather seats and stuff like that to the company, and then you go in there and they have it. But they could have installed it in a day, but I didn't want to travel out. There's certain spots here in Jersey that I could have traveled. They could have did in like a day or like a couple of hours or something like that. But it was like a little further from me. So it was a place that was like maybe like 6-7 miles. You know, I don't like to be traveling too long if I don't have to. And that's pretty much it took a day. The place was called Auto Action in New Jersey. I forget what part. And it took them a day. Like I dropped the car off in the morning about 9:30, 10 o'clock, and it was done the next day about 12 p.m. So, you know, they gave me like a loaner too. So they had like a nice little loaner, this truck, Toyota truck or something that, you know, I was able to get around in. So everything was smooth. So it could have been a day if I wanted to travel out, but this other spot was like closer and everything like that. So that's what I pretty much went with. But it's cool, man. I mean, great. I got no issues at all. No issues, man. It's great. Everything is good. So I'm just sharing that with you guys. And what I did, it was a financing plan, which is for that $2,200, they split it to 24 months, and I pay like $100 a month. But I pay this off completely in probably like 3 or 4 months. It's just like, I mean, they offered the finance, and I tried it, and they accepted me. So it's like, I mean, if you could stretch a couple of months, why not? That's the way I look at it. But very inexpensive to me, y'all. Very nice, very good quality. They said it's the same quality or even a better quality than the leather that comes from these car manufacturers, from these factories and stuff like that. So no peeling, no nothing, no nothing, y'all. This is like the real deal. So I mean, I could look them up, CatskinLeather.com. They did a great job, as you can see. And that's it, y'all. Quick video. I think I gave everything in detail. That's it, y'all. But do me a favor, you already know what I'm going to say. I'm going to probably stop saying like, comment, share. Well, like, no, do all that. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, subscribe, y'all. If you watch these videos, man, you like these videos, they going to get better and better. It's going to be different. I got some stuff coming. All right. Everything Dodge, Mopar, everything, y'all. All right. I'm going to say it one more time. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate everybody. We growing slow on this page, but we growing, y'all, and I appreciate it. You know what I'm going to say? Live life. Don't let nobody tell you can't do it. Keep it pushing. Stay blessed, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace out. Yeah.